Open OBS Studio on your PC and navigate to Settings. To ensure the highest clarity, start in the Video section. Set your base and output resolution to match your monitor, 1920 by 1080 for 1080p or 2560 by 1440p for 1440p. If you have a 2K resolution screen, set both your base and output resolutions to 2560 by 1440. Since I am using a 2K monitor, I am going with these settings to ensure the recording matches my screen's clarity perfectly. For the smoothest movement, set your FPS to 60. Next, navigate to the Output tab and change the output mode to Advanced. In the Recording tab, set your recording format to MKV. This is a vital safety step. If your power cuts out or you get a blue screen, your 2K footage won't be corrupted. You can always convert it to MP4 later using the Remux feature. To match your high-end visuals with high-end sound, go to the Audio tab and set the bitrate to 320. Finally, in the Global Audio menu, verify that your sample rate is at 48 kHz and channels are set to stereo. These settings ensure that your 2K content looks and sounds professional. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.